From Mentor English, myself Professor MA Raza. Today we are going to discuss the topic phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics, it studies the speech processes such as the anatomy, the neurological aspects, the pathology of the speech, and the articulation, classification, and perception of speech sounds. It is a pure science and need not to study it in relation to a particular language. It has many practical applications such as in phonetic transcription, language teaching, speech therapy, and communication engineering. Most of the phonetician most of the phonetician accept it under the heading linguistic science, though some of them consider it to be outside the core of linguistics. Its study is divided into three main branches: articulatory, acquisite, and auditory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics is the study of the movement of the speech organs in the articulatory of the speech. Acoustic phonetics deals with the physical properties of speech sounds such as frequency and amplitude in their transmission. Auditory phonetics describes the hearing and perception of speech sounds. So today we discuss phonetics in brief and the three branches of phonetics: articulatory phonetics and acoustic phonetics and auditory phonetics. So if you and any one of you searching for Urdu literature, kindly subscribe Murshid Urdu Professor MA Raza, and if you are searching English literature, must subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will find all the other literary aspects and literary gems and literary lectures and literary vlogs on the same channel. So must subscribe and hit the bell icons. Let me go now and say with me. Let me go now and say with me. Do something more for humanity. Do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.